Did you know that 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck? And most of them don't even realize they're making the same money mistakes over and over again. Are you one of them? Stay with me, because today, I'm exposing the 7 biggest money mistakes that are keeping you broke, and how to escape them fast. Mistake number 1. Ignoring where your money goes. Most people have no idea where their money is actually going. You think you're spending on essentials, but those daily coffee runs, impulse Amazon purchases, and food deliveries add up fast. Fix it. Track your expenses for just 1 week. You'll be shocked. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money is really disappearing. Mistake number 2. Living on credit instead of cash. Credit cards feel like free money until the bill comes. If you're constantly paying the minimum due, you're stuck in a debt trap. Fix it. Use credit only for things you can afford to pay off in full each month. And if you're in debt, use the snowball or avalanche method to clear it faster. Mistake number 3. Not having an emergency fund. Life happens. Your car breaks down, you lose a job, or medical bills hit. If you don't have an emergency fund, you'll end up borrowing money at high interest. Fix it. Start small. Even saving $500 to $1,000 can prevent financial disasters. Automate savings if possible. Mistake number 4. Trying to keep up with others. Most people are broke because they try to look rich. Fancy cars, latest iPhones, luxury brands, but they're drowning in debt. Fix it. Focus on your own financial goals, not impressing others. Wealth is built quietly, not by showing off. Mistake number 5. Not investing early. You think you'll start investing later, but time is your biggest wealth-building weapon. The longer you wait, the harder it gets. Fix it. Start small. Even $10 a week into an index fund or real estate investment pays off in the long run. Mistake number 6. Ignoring financial education. Schools don't teach financial freedom, so if you're not learning about money, guess what? You'll always struggle with it. Fix it. Read finance books, follow money experts, and subscribe to this channel for smart money tips. Mistake number 7. Not having multiple income sources. One income stream is risky. If you lose your job, what happens? You need side hustles, investments, or passive income. Fix it. Start a side hustle, freelance, or invest in income-generating assets. So, which of these mistakes have you made? Comment below. And if you want to build real wealth, check out my next video where I reveal the best passive income ideas for 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.